Bruh, car in the shop at work. That's what we doing today, bruh. Putting new wheels on for the whip. So here's a little before on how the car is sitting right now. Just got the stock wheels on. I'm gonna just transfer the old tires onto the new rims. I'm running a 10 or 15 millimeter spacer, I believe, and I won't need the spacer anymore once I put these on. These are the Novia wheels. I forgot which model they are, but it's 18 by 9.5 plus 38, and hopefully we'll see how these turn out. Dang, so I literally just pulled up, about to work on my brother's car, the white WRX, the one that just got the new wheels. We're gonna be swapping my brother's lowering springs for some coils that he just picked up. These are the coils right here. Damn, these are nice green. Shit. Hey, what brand are these coils, my boy? These are the Rev 9 coilovers for 2015 and up WRXs. So, dude, these are clean.
Yeah.
Most likely, this man's gonna slam this bitch. So right now, before my brother puts on the coils, he is running some H&R lowering springs on the stock strut. So basically what I'm doing is there's 3 bolts here on the bottom. The first one is a 17, the second one is a 19. The 19 is holding the strut, and then there's a 12 over here holding the sway bar end link. So you want to take out these 3 bolts. So it's gonna come like this, there's a bolt, and then this. And you take those out, and then there's gonna be 2, I believe, 12 millimeter bolts on top. And once you take that out, we can just take the strut out. Those 2 right there. So my fault. This one's actually a 17 too. So 2 17s, and then this one is 12. I'm pretty sure. Goofy. I was like, you don't have to hold the. Damn, bro, how am I gonna get all the way? Here we go. Pull that bitch, set. Get over here. There we go. You're gonna have to hold the strut from the bottom though. Yeah, I know. You wanna hold it? So we just got the stock strut out, and now we're going for the rear coils, just adjusting the ride height. I'm pretty sure this man's gonna slam it. So we just put on the 2 rear coils. This is the driver's side. Right side right here, just making sure everything's all good, tight. Damn, and everything right. So for the front struts, we got 3 12 millimeter bolts, and then on the strut itself, it's held by 2 19 millimeters, I believe. We also got the cob intake that this man did not record, but yeah, the fronts are still high.
The backs look good though.
Yeah. So in the previous clip, you saw me lowering my car. I did adjust the fronts a little bit just because it was a little too high for my liking. I dropped about like 1.5 inches, so now the front and the rear are a little bit more even.